This is Abdullah Kashmula, class CIS 148, programming using Java, and this is week 10 assignment, which is using creating a currency converter, and the output is going to be shaped as a table. This is my main class. It only calls one class, and that class calls the rest of the classes. And this is just to be able to call all the classes by combining them all in one class. And first class I have, which is get the currency names, so get the names of the currencies to show you the file I'm reading from, which is going to be the currency name, and on the in front of it is going to be the conversion ratio. And the same for the rest of the classes, and the reason why I did it like that is I can add any other currencies by putting the name and space between them, then the conversion rate, and I have an underscore that I'm going to delete in the program later to show you how it works. So first I put all the contents in a string, then split them by either a space or return which next line, which is that's what it means \\s plus. So whenever it sees a space or return which is \n, that means it's the next value. Since I have two values, which is going to be the name of the currency and the conversion rate, that means I only, in this case, I have but I have 8 values, but only 4 names. So that means the length is going to be, for the names of the currency, is going to be divided by 2. And get all the names, and the values are 0 plus I times 2, so it's 0, 2, 4, and 6. And it's going to return an array which has the currency names. It is the same for the currency values, except the only difference is going to return an array that is a double. Also, it's going to be the second value, so it's going to be 1. So it's going to be 1, 3, and 5, and 7. And for the user input, is just going to get the user input and return an amount. And we get to the last one, which is going to print everything. So to print everything, we have the values, which is, so I have the currency name 1 associated with currency value 1, currency name 0 associated with currency value 0, and so on. So this is going to be currency name 0, currency name currency value 0. So that will help me in the output when I'm going to print it. It's all going to be the same I. And also, to get the currency names, I just run that class, and it's going to return an array with currency name. Save it in the currency name, and the same for the values. And this is just to print the top, and this is gonna keep printing until for the currency length, or the number of the, I could have used the currency value, which is the same length as the currency name, which in this case is going to be 4, and it's going to print US dollars, and then the name of the currency it is converted to, then first currency name, then the amount that user input, and then the currency value multiplied by the amount, which is how much is going to be in the other currency. Run the class. Let's say I'm converting $6.8, and this is my output. This is the currency. This is this line, which is going to be the top of the table. It has to be outside the loop. Inside the loop, no matter how many values I'm going to enter, I can reduce the number of other currencies or increase it, and the program is still going to work as long as I put it in a certain format, which is name then conversion rate.